Global Innovation Alliance June. Global Alliance Innovation Alliance is an initiative of a Government of Karnataka, Department of Electronics, ITBT and Science and Technology with the objective of creating relationship in innovations, science and technology with various countries and to foster and support the development of a collaborative research and development and tech projects that bring together companies, research organizations, startups, academics, and other collaborations from partner countries for achieving leadership in global and domestic markets. Department has established Global Innovations Alliance with leading technology and innovations hubs across the world. These GIAs are across the five areas of co-creation, co-innovations, and co-invention. G2G strategic relationship, technology sharing, cooperations on skilling, trade promotion, startups, stop landing, and academic institutions, research and development. GIA partners creative sessions on IT, biotech, healthcare at Bangalore Tech Summit to showcase their country's disruptive technologies and strengths. The GIA exhibitions June provides a unique and interactive showcase of the latest innovations from the top startups hubs from across the globe. India Innovation Alliance June IIA. It is crucial for the India to bridge the existing gap and improve its overall technology and innovations ecosystem. This calls for a joint effort from leading IT and biotech state governments as well as industry, which can be achieved through states collaborations, public-private partnership, institutional mechanism can bridge the gaps in the technology and innovations ecosystems directly impeding the development and growth of Indian IT and biotech industry. The Indian Innovations Alliance is to enhance the innovations and technology competitiveness of Indian leading states, industry, and institutions through joint department, technology transfer, and joint ventures and connecting among technology developers, provides, and commercializers. The Indian Innovations Alliance at Bangalore Tech Summit provides a unique platform to showcase the progressive and industry-friendly policies and the latest innovations from the COE, startups, etc., to bridge the existing gap and to improve its overall technology and innovations ecosystem and to get better recognitions nationally and globally to attract business opportunities even from other countries, regions and contents. Lab to market R&D. Lab to market. Lab to market is a first of its kind platform which encourages premier research institutes of India to exhibit, present and conduct one-to-one meetings with industry startups, investors to accelerate the lab to market journey of their potential innovations. This initiative is aimed at recognizing disruptive research ideas and helping them become disruptive technologies that can venture the market. As India continues on sustained growth trajectory, the need for a robust research and development ecosystem coupled with an increased investment both by the private sector and the government in research and development gains significance. The Indian government has been very proactive in formulating several support programs and technologies acknowledging the importance of research and development. UHA 1 million scientists spread over 265 national research laboratories across the country are conducting their cutting edge research and developing revolutionary innovations. Much of this research shows impressive potential towards becoming a commercially valuable product or service. To tap these potentials and to encourage investments into their growth, lab to markets being organized as a part of its 3-day technology extravaganza. Biopartnering. In a biotech conference, attendees look forward to meetings with potential partners and collaborators from across the global during the 3 days of India Bio BTS. For the first time, we are introducing an advanced meeting scheduler platform developed by Innova Software, the global leaders in bio partnering. The platform allows attendees to research, invite companies, accept inventions, and conduct meetings virtually, effortlessly. Innova partnering platform facilitated over 50,000 meetings in the recently held largest bio event in the USA. Innova Software has worked with the world's leading biotech shows from across continents and for the first time with India's largest biotech event. Bio partnering at India Bio is sure to connect global biotech companies and professionals with Indian biotech fraternity. Be a bio partnering delegate, connect with the world and fast track of business. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಟೆಕ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ 20,000 ರೂಗಳ ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ಗೆಲ್ಲಿರಿ. 20,000 ರೂಗಳ ಬಹುಮಾನ ಗೆಲ್ಲಲು ಮುಂದಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. Bioposter Walkway of Discovery. Bioposters. Popular amongst young researchers, poster session Walkway of Discovery will showcase innovative ideas, outstanding research, groundbreaking studies that have the potentials to make a significant impact in the field of life science and biotechnology. It is aimed at giving exposure to young researchers with their breakthrough ideas to attending delegates from industry and research from across biofarm, agribiotech, meditech, and bioservices. The special focus this year is, of course, on ideas to combat pandemic by way of vaccines, drugs, diagnostics, treatment, immunity, and post-infection care. Don't hold back. Present your ideas for the first time in a digital India bio and grab the global attention. Top 10 posters will presented with a prize money up to rupees 20,000 each during the Smart Bio Awards evening, which will be attended by who's who of biotech industry. Entitlement. Soft copy of poster presentation showcase area in the poster hall, live chat facility with the delegates, visitors, one conference delegate registrations to access inaugural keynote, all technical sessions, awards, quiz competitions, exhibitions, etc. The entire poster content is 30 days post the event. For further details, contact Mr. Prabha Sharun, Poster Coordinator, Bangalore Tech Summit, Mobile 9199685005. UHA 1 million